Here we go, HobbyBox604 doing group break number 133. This is a 5-box mixer. Welcome to 2015, our first break of 2015. We got one box from the past 5 years, one box from each year. Also have 2 packs, 2 mystery packs going with the break, as well as someone will get a whole box of 13-14 Prism. So let's see quickly what the mystery packs. Base, we got, another base. For the Detroit Red Wings, rookie Brendan Smith. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Shining Stars of Phil Kessel. For the Detroit Red Wings, Johan Franzen, 44 of 99. Young Guns for the Phoenix Coyotes of Lucas Lesio. And an auto for Washington Capitals, Cameron Schilling. Base. Triple diamond for the Toronto Maple Leafs of Felix Potvin. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Waves of the Future, Mike Richards. Young Guns for the Ottawa Senators of Mark Stone. For the Quebec Nordiques, also aka Colorado Avalanche, Immortals of Joe Sakic to 9.99. And for Colorado as well, Jean-Sebastien Giguère, a dual jersey. First box is 10-11 Pinnacle. Box is 456. 456, 10-11 Pinnacle. Just hoping for no redemption. Put that there. Empty box. Here we go. Pack 1. Let's just put the base cards away. For the Calgary Flames, Ray Burke. Decoy and base. I will go over the base cards after, guys, just to make sure I didn't miss anything. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, City Lights of Evgeny Malkin. Rookie of Nino Niederreiter for the New York Islanders. All base. All base. For the New Jersey Devils, City Lights of Ilya Kovalchuk. Icebreakers, rookie of Braden Shen for the LA Kings. All base. Just to confirm one more time, all Atlanta Thrashers hits from this year will go to Winnipeg. Okay, Icebreakers rookie for the New Jersey Devils of Alexander Vasyanov. We have Team Pinnacle random to do Washington Capitals Mike Green and Chicago Blackhawks Duncan Keith. Our first random of the night. For the Minnesota North Stars, aka Dallas Stars, Willie Plett. This goes to Dallas. Tough times, Willie Plett. Halfway through the box. For the Ottawa Senators, Brian Elliott. I forgot what they used to call those. the shiny base one. All base. Lots of base pack in this, I forgot. Icebreakers for the Chicago Blackhawks, rookie of Brandon Peary. Brandon Peary for the Hawks. For the Edmonton Oilers, a jersey of Alice Hemsky, or Alish Hemsky, 392 of 499 for the Oilers. Think we should get one auto at least. Saving face for the Anaheim Ducks, Curtis McElhinney. Chemistry on canvas for the Ducks, Corey Perry and Getzlaff. Icebreakers for the Anaheim Ducks, Brandon McMillan. 3 Ducks hit back to back to back to back. Oh, proof, artist proof for the Florida Panthers, Keaton Ellerby. Nice. For the Boston Bruins, rookie of Tyler Seguin. Icebreakers for the Bruins, Seguin. Would be nice if it was his auto version. All base. 2 packs left in this one. Checked us with that. And the last pack is our auto for the Phoenix Coyotes. Not bad. Pencraft of Shane Doan. These were, this is a tough set to complete. It's not numbered, but not bad for Phoenix. Shane Doan. Thank God we were not missing a hit, because that would have been ugly. Okay, we go with the Pinnacle, and then we go with part 2 in a separate video. Next is 1112 Crown Royale, box number 4154. Let's go Silhouette. 4 packs there. Empty box. Pack 1. Another Alish Hemsky jersey card for the Edmonton Oilers. All the King's men. Alish Hemsky. Rookie for the Dallas Stars of Colton Xavier. Not bad for the Dallas Stars. Here's, sorry, not Dallas. Pittsburgh Penguins. Here's to the throne of James Neal. Not bad. Number 95 of 100 for the Penguins. James Neal. Not bad at all. For the Chicago Blackhawks, royalty of Stan Mikita. Nope, these were not numbered. For the Pittsburgh Penguins again, royal lineage of Mark Letestu, Evgeny Malkin, and Jaromir Jagr. Triple jersey, Pittsburgh Penguins. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins again, Sidney Crosby, red royalty, ruby for the Penguins. 3 hits for Penguins. Nice for the Canucks, Henrik Sedin. Very nice. Number 89 of 99. Whoever has Vancouver, I would love to trade that card. And for the Boston Bruins, Lords of the NHL, Patrice Bergeron. Not numbered. Okay, we'll be back with part 2 in a couple of minutes. Thanks.